Hey everyone, it's your boy KO, back with another video. And today, we're diving deep into a topic that's near and dear to all of our hearts. Building wealth. We're talking about investing in yourself and your future, one step at a time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing? That's the people with tons of money, right? Wrong. You don't need to be rolling in dough to start building a brighter financial future. In fact, some of the most effective investments you can make cost little to no money at all. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any solid financial plan. Saving money. We're talking about automating your savings like a boss. Every month, a portion of your paycheck automatically gets routed to your savings or investment accounts before you even have a chance to spend it. This is the ultimate set it and forget it strategy for building wealth. Trust me, automating your saving is the game changer. Okay, now that we've got our savings on autopilot, let's talk about putting your money to work in the stock market. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Set a monthly goal to invest in stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, even if it's just a small amount. The magic happens over time with the power of compounding. Think of it like this. Your money is making more money, which in turn makes even more money. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn the ropes. Ever dream of owning rental property and raking in passive income? I know I have. But let's be real. Coming up with the massive down payment for a rental property isn't exactly easy, especially in this market. But here's the good news. Real estate crowdfunding platforms are changing the game. These platforms allow you to invest small amounts of money into larger real estate deals, giving you a piece of the pie without needing to be a real estate mogul. Plus, it's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio beyond traditional stocks and bonds. You know what's a fantastic investment? Investing in yourself. That's right. I'm talking about dedicating time and resources to learning new skills or gaining certifications that can boost your earning potential. Think about it. In today's fast-paced job market, the more skills you have, the more valuable you become. Whether it's mastering a new programming language, becoming a public speaking pro, or adding another language to your repertoire, investing in your education is an investment that pays off for a lifetime. There are tons of affordable online courses, workshops, and resources available that can help you gain valuable skills without emptying your wallet. Alright, let's talk about an investment that often gets overlooked. Your health. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life and neglect our well-being. Investing in your health doesn't have to mean expensive gym memberships or fancy supplements. It's about making conscious choices that prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Remember, when you feel your best, you perform your best in all areas of life, including your finances. Alright, let's talk retirement, folks. The earlier you start planning for retirement, the better off you'll be. And one of the smartest moves you can make is to max out your 401k contributions. Think of your 401k as a special account where you can sock away pre-tax dollars for retirement. If your employer offers a 401k match, it's like getting free money. Make sure you're contributing enough to take full advantage of that match. The emergency fund, your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable, right? You never know when an unexpected expense might pop up. A medical bill, car trouble, you name it. That's why having a solid emergency fund is crucial. Aim to build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually build up your fund over time. You can even automate your contributions, just like we talked about with savings. Side hustle your way to extra cash. Starting a side hustle is a fantastic way to boost your income, explore your passions, and gain valuable experience, all while potentially building something amazing on the side. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, pet sitting, or selling handmade goods online, the possibilities are endless. Plus, the skills and experience you gain from a side hustle can be invaluable down the road. Give back and feel good doing it. Whether it's donating to a local charity, volunteering your time, or simply spreading awareness about an important issue, every little bit helps. Giving back doesn't just benefit those who receive your generosity. It also has a positive impact on your own well-being. Studies have shown that people who engage in acts of kindness experience increased happiness and reduced stress levels. Alright, let's be real. Life's not all about work and saving money, right? It's important to make time for experiences that bring you joy, create lasting memory, and enrich your life. Whether it's traveling to a new destination, trying a new restaurant, attending a concert, or simply spending quality time with loved ones, experiences are what make life worth living. These memories will last a lifetime and are priceless investments in your overall well-being. Index funds, your secret weapon for diversification. Let's talk about diversifying your investment portfolio, and one of the best ways to do that is with index fund. And think of index fund like a basket of stock packs that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Index funds, they offer instant diversification by spreading your money across hundreds of different companies. High-yield savings accounts, your money's best friend. Tired of earning next to nothing on your savings account? That's where high-yield savings accounts come in. These bad boys offer significantly higher interest rate than traditional savings account, putting your money to work for you more effectively. If you're not already taking advantage of high-yield savings accounts, now's the time to make the switch. Peer-to-peer lending. Become the bank. Ever thought about becoming a lender yourself? With peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can do just that. P2P lending connects borrowers directly with investors, cutting out the middleman, also known as the banks. As an investor, you can browse through loan requests and choose which ones you want to fund. It's a unique way to potentially earn higher returns than traditional investments, all while helping individuals and small businesses access the funding they need. Professional development. Invest in your career growth. Want to get ahead in your career? Investing in your professional development is key. This could mean attending industry conferences, taking online courses to acquire in-demand skills, or even pursuing additional certifications or degrees. Not only will this make you a more competitive candidate in the job market, but it will also open up new opportunities for career advancement and higher earning potential. Personal development, the gift that keeps on giving. This is all about nurturing your mind, body, and soul, so you can become the best version of yourself. This could involve reading books that inspire you, attending personal growth workshops, practicing mindfulness and meditation, or seeking guidance from a therapist or coach. Remember, personal development is a lifelong journey, and the more you invest in yourself, the more fulfilling and rewarding your life will become. Live a richer life, starting today. And there you have it. 15 monthly investments that can help you build a richer life, both financially and personally. Remember, building wealth isn't just about accumulating money. It's about investing in yourself, your future, and creating a life you love. So which of these investments are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you don't miss out on any future videos about personal finance, investing, and living your best life. Until next time, keep crushing it!